In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your CapCut video from colored to black and white. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on your clip on the timeline here. So I'll go ahead and do so. And then go ahead and then look for the option called adjust. And here is adjust option. If you tap on it, look for the option called saturation. And here it is. So to turn it black and white, just go ahead and reduce this saturation to negative. And look at that, just turn to black and white from colored. If you go ahead and do the positive, you can see it will increase the intensity of your color. So to make it black and white, just make sure it is on the negative side. You can also go ahead and now make it much sharper by increasing brightness or reducing it. And also you can also adjust the contrast. Look at that, and that is okay. You can also do the same for the brightness. If you want it more brighter or darker, you can also apply these effects and it will be applied. Once you're done, go ahead and save your changes by tapping on this tick and that will be applied. So now if you go ahead and play the video, you can see it is in black and white from the original colored. So that's how you convert your video from colored to black and white. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.